How to fix Telegram not sending messages. If you're having problems with your Telegram app, then follow these steps. Firstly, you need to check your network connection. Make sure that you have a good internet connection. If your current network or Wi-Fi is lagging, then make sure to switch to a different network. You can also try to switch between your mobile data and your Wi-Fi to see if that works. Now check for any kind of updates that may be available for the Telegram app. If there are updates available, then make sure to update the app. If not, then go back to your home page. Now navigate to the Telegram app. After that, tap and hold on the app. Click on the eye icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and select the option Storage. At the bottom right corner, click on Clear Cache. Now go back to your previous page. At the bottom panel, you will see different kind of options. Click on Force Stop option. Leave it like that for some times and again turn it off. This will refresh the Telegram app, solving the problem. Once you have followed all these steps, make sure to give your device a quick restart. That's all for today. Thank you.